Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of boutique sports cars with a detailed look at the Wiesmann MF5, a machine that blends vintage styling with raw modern performance. If you've ever dreamed of a car that turns heads while delivering a visceral driving experience, the MF5 is likely high on your wish list. Let's start with its exterior. The Wiesmann MF5 has a design that's unapologetically retro, but with a modern edge. Its long, sweeping hood, low-slung profile, and curvaceous body evoke the classic roadsters of the 1950s and 60s, but it's far from dated. The body is crafted from lightweight aluminum and composite materials, making it not just beautiful, but functional. The front end features large circular headlights and a wide grille that looks like it belongs on a luxury yacht, not a car. Flowing lines lead toward flared rear arches and a taut, aggressive rear end that subtly hints at the power beneath. This is the kind of car that gets noticed even in the company of Lamborghinis and Ferraris. Inside the MF5, the story continues with a handcrafted interior that prioritizes both luxury and individuality. Wiesmann is a bespoke automaker, meaning nearly every detail of the cabin can be customized to the owner's preferences. Rich leather upholstery wraps the seats, dash, and door panels. The stitching, colors, and trim materials are all tailored to order. The overall layout is simple and driver-focused, with a minimalist design that emphasizes quality over tech overload. Analog gauges sit in a neat cluster, giving the driver clear information without distractions. There's a touch of old-world charm here, but it's combined with solid ergonomics and premium finishes that justify the price tag. Performance is where the MF5 really earns its place in the spotlight. Under the hood, it packs a 5.0-liter V10 engine sourced from the BMW M5 and M6 of its era. This naturally aspirated power plant delivers a thundering 507 horsepower and 520 Nm of torque. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, the MF5 rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.9 seconds. The top speed? An exhilarating 310 km/h. But it's not just about straight-line performance. Thanks to its lightweight, construction and balanced chassis, the MF5 handles with surgical precision. The steering is direct, feedback is plentiful, and the car responds to driver input like a true performance machine. It's a car that demands respect and rewards skill. What's remarkable is that all this performance is wrapped in a package that still feels exclusive and handcrafted. Wiesmann produces vehicles in limited numbers, which means the MF5 isn't just rare, it's an automotive statement. And while some modern supercars rely on electronics and driver aids to feel fast, the MF5 is refreshingly analog. There's no fancy torque vectoring or semi-autonomous features, just a pure, unfiltered driving experience. As for pricing, the Wiesmann MF5 was never a cheap car, nor was it meant to be. When new, it carried a price tag north of $200,000, and due to its rarity and unique character, prices on the used market can still range anywhere from $150,000 to $300,000, depending on condition and configuration. It's a collector's car, no doubt, but also one that begs to be driven rather than hidden away. So, what's the verdict? The Wiesmann MF5 is more than just a fast car with a pretty face. It's a masterclass in blending traditional craftsmanship with modern engineering. It's bold, it's powerful, and it offers a unique alternative to the mass-produced supercars from bigger names. For those who appreciate individuality, performance, and timeless style, the MF5 delivers on all fronts.